Hey, today I have BRISANT dimple lock. It's a Euro 6-pin, anti-snap. It has drill protection here. I have a key. And lock works very smooth. Works perfect. So yeah, looks the business. And let's see, will it keep us out for long? From my experience, not very, but we'll see. Using a straight flag, it's on a stone from Banggood. They're okay. They need a lot of work and very square on the edges, so a bit of sanding works wonders. Yeah, so we'll give this a shot. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think you should have master on the front. That was a bit of a disappointment really, but as I said, has everything going for it except it can be picked in seconds. Yeah, that was a bit short and sweet. Let's see what else I have. Yeah, just pfaffenhain padlock. It's a cool lock. You can give this a shot. I've got a key. Works perfect. It's a really cool lock. Sorry about this camera again. Just trying to make sure you can see okay. My camera skills are brutal. There's a lot of spools in this thing, so you just usually, this is a multi-pick, give it a bit of a rake to a false set. Usually. That's a bit camera shy. There we go. And it's a Tron from Sparrows. Love this pick. Finish it off. Should I get a bit of counter rotation somewhere in here? Or maybe not. Come on. Where am I up? Yeah, there you go. Sorry, that one took a bit longer, but that was a bonus for this video. Yeah, so not impressed. And Pfaffenhain, really cool lock. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.